majorly there are many names that are in the news कि कौन-कौन जा रहा है, Aways and Nagma and all of these
Yeah.
people. जब दल बनाना होगा तो who do you think you could
यार
possibly
नयन
like?
का भी नाम आ रहा था यार.
हाँ,
I really liked how Hinadi's always been very courageous when it comes to her task.
fully brave.
And of course, she's been like that fashionista, that fashion
Yes.
icon. And she's like an elder sister to me. I've always looked up to her. And when she got to know that I'm doing it, she gave me a call. She's like, Ashno, जाने से पहले मुझसे मिलके जा. So we had a proper 3-hour long discussion wherein, you know, she was like, ऐसे करना, वैसे करना, do this, do that. Because I've seen her up close. We worked together for like, what, 1.5, almost 2 years. And she was very close to mom as well. So even mom talked to her. Because I was a little kid back then and all of that. But she's shaped her in true sense.
Big Boss 16, if I'm not wrong, where Sumbul was there. Sumbul was also judged. People actually kind of forgot that she is a young girl. You're also in the same age bracket.
Yeah.
Does that at least scare you at all?
So, in fact, I was talking to Sumbul very recently. We've become friends very recently after she came out of Big Boss.
I heard this that apparently Anurag Kashyap once thought that you will not be able to pull it off. What was that whole thing about? Like, what did you audition?
We were shooting in Punjab. उधर छतें बहुत पास होती हैं. And Tapsi Di went, everybody around, oh hi Tapsi, Abhishek sir went, oh, hello, Vicky bhaiya went, hello. And then I enter and people wave at me with the same excitement. And Anurag sir looks behind saying that, ये इसको इतने excitement से इसको hello बोल रहे हैं, कौन है ये? Whenever in fact I go for auditions, I've been asked not to mention my TV experience when I'm giving my introduction or I'm talking about my work experience. Because there is a certain preconceived notion attached with it, and I was almost locked for this really nice big commercial film. I'm going to sign the contract in a few days, and I get a call saying that, sorry, but we need a star kid.
Well, according to news reports, she is supposed to be my co-contestant on Big Boss 19. But let me tell you, मैं जब आया अंदर तो first thing she came and told me, "Arey, you are not going inside. It would have been so much fun." I am not doing Big Boss 19. You will get to know by the time this interview comes out. I think everybody will get to know that I'm not doing Big Boss 19, but I'm doing something else. Yes. I hope, Bhagwan. It would have been fun if we were on the same show. But how have you been? Ashnoor is joining us for this episode.
Yes.
क्या हो रहा है? You are a prodigy. That is how people would define people like you, Jannat and all of that. Siddharth,
Yes.
you know, Reem.
Yes.
How are you feeling finally going and doing a personality-driven show where people will not see Ashnoor the actress, the artist, but Ashnoor the human being?
I am very excited, honestly, because as you mentioned, so far people have loved me for the characters I've played, but this is the first time they'll see me as a person, and I'm really looking forward to how the audience reacts.
जब offer आया, what was your first reaction and family's first reaction, given the history of Big Boss, good, bad, ugly?
Honestly, for the past few years, when I was getting a call, it was a clear no because I was too young. I thought I'm not ready for it, or I had my college where I had taken like a 3-year break from TV. Then I had someone in the audience, so I never got the time to kind of even consider it. This year, we thought let's take that leap of faith and let's just do it.
But what made you take that leap of faith?
So mom was very excited. And then I thought, I've almost done everything, but I've never touched the reality show category. So why not start with the best?
Yeah. Ooh. All the best. You will do amazingly well because you're a kind person. What is it that you will not trade? One personality trait that you would not like to change no matter what the game is. Whether you're losing the game, but ये मैं नहीं करूँगी.
See, I think I'm very real. ये जो games होती हैं, being double faced and all of that, that's not something I would do. Now, a lot of people would take that for innocence, but I feel like there's very fine line between maintaining your dignity and being manipulative.
Yeah.
You have to play it smartly because it is a political theme this time.
Yeah.
So you have to do a few things here and there, but that does not mean you're going to stoop down to a very manipulative, negative zone.
Who have been your ideal contestants that you've liked? Like personality-wise, इतने सालों में 2-3 people whose personalities you have loved and you possibly could relate to.
Honestly, I haven't watched any season like in its entirety. I've watched like bits and pieces here and there. So from what I've watched, I really liked how Hinadi's always been very courageous when it comes to her task.
Fully brave.
And of course, she's been like that fashionista, that fashion
Yes.
icon. And she's like an elder sister to me. I've always looked up to her. even before Big Boss, even after Big Boss. And when she got to know that I'm doing it, she gave me a call. She's like, "No, जाने से पहले मुझसे मिलके जा." So we had a proper 3-hour long discussion wherein, you know, she was like, "ऐसे करना, वैसे करना, do this, do that." So I really felt that warmth, and coming from someone who's herself done so well in her season,
Yeah.
and she's been that, you know, there are very few contestants who stood out. Like if you think of Big Boss, there are 3-4 names that come in your mind, and of course Hinadi is one of them. So I've taken her advice. I'm gonna carry it with me in the house.
What is the advice that she's given?
She's given me a lot of advices. A few of them being that एक तो बोलने का show है. So even if you're thinking right, the audience needs to know you're thinking right. So you need to vocalize it. Then again, being true to yourself and owning everything up, the goods, bads, uglies, everything. Because it is you at the end of the day. It is a personality contest, and everybody loves realism. I guess after so many seasons, even the audience can figure out कौन कहाँ fake बन रहा है या कौन someone's pretending to be someone who's he or she is not.
Not, yeah.
So just be real and go for the kill.
You know, I was one of those people, and I've said it in multiple interviews because I regret it. I was one of those people who judged Hina during her season.
Yeah.
Because of what I was shown, right?
Yeah.
But from the time I've known Hina, I know what kind of a person she is, you know?
Yes.
And I absolutely stan her because she's a lovely human being.
She is.
For the show that even I am doing, I've also spoken to her, and she's also told me the same things. Like,
Yes.
there is so much of support. And I know that she's always there for her people.
Yeah.
No matter what, you know?
Yes.
But things can go anywhere.
Yeah.
When Hina was in that season, she was misjudged.
Yeah.
Even a season like Big Boss 16, if I'm not wrong, where Sumbul was there, Sumbul was also judged. People
Yeah.
actually kind of forgot that she is a young girl. You're also in the same age bracket.
Yeah.
Does that at least scare you at all?
So, in fact, I was talking to Sumbul very recently. We've become friends very recently after she came out of Big Boss. And she's very different outside the house than what people perceived her to be inside. She's very bubbly, she's very chirpy. And she told me that, यार मैं ना अंदर जाके थोड़ा घबरा गई थी, मैं shell में चली गई थी. You don't do that. So you always voice it out. And definitely, now you look at the creative aspect of it
Yeah.
also. Putting your 24-hour footage into one single hour is also a tedious job. वो क्या क्या रखेंगे? So you just have to be real, and I guess you have to be very clear in what you do. And I think sometime or the other you might be misjudged, but I guess there'll also be a point where the audience will see through it and your actions, and there's nothing really that you can do about it.
But again, there was a reel very recently that I saw where they said that Big Boss 11 will always be known as Hina Khan's season,
Yes.
even if she didn't win the season.
Yeah.
Does that make you happy? Because eventually with time, people realize that possibly she deserved it more.
Yeah, I mean, that's a great. I mean, I think that's a better win than winning the trophy. When you've not won the trophy, but then people are like, she deserved to be there.
Yeah,
What else do you want?
yeah.
And if you don't have people support, the trophy does not mean anything.
When you speak so highly about Hina, you know, Hina went through a really difficult time
Yeah.
since last year, and she's been braving it. I always call her a warrior, but I know you also feel the same, and you've seen this because
Yes.
you've seen her for so many years.
Yes.
What was your first reaction? Did you have a lump in your throat when you heard?
100% I did, because I'm still getting goosebumps as we speak about it. Because I've seen her up close. We worked together for like what, 1.5, almost 2 years, and she was very close to mom as well. So even mom talked to her. Because I was a little kid back then and all of that. But she's Sher Khan in true sense, and I really look up to her for the resilience she's had, she's carried with herself, and the courage she has. She's just rocking it.
Ashnur, you started off as a child artist, and there are so many challenges that people who start off as child artists also face, because sometimes they are told they are overexposed, they've got
Yeah.
too much TV. I heard this that apparently Anurag Kashyap once thought that you will not be able to pull it off. What was that whole thing about? Like, what did you audition for?
So I did Manmarziya. I played Taapsi's younger
Yes.
sister as a child actor back
Yeah.
then. And Anurag sir did not know about my TV background. And मुझे in fact audition पे बोला था that in your introduction do not mention your TV experience. I was like, okay. So how he got to know is also a very interesting story. So we were shooting in Punjab. उधर छतें बहुत पास-पास होती हैं. And Tapsi Di went, everybody around, oh hi Tapsi, Tapsi. Abhishek sir went, oh, hello, hello. Vicky Bhaiya went, hello, hello. And then I enter, and people wave at me with the same excitement. And Anurag sir looks behind, saying that, ये इसको इतने एक्साइटमेंट से इसको हेलो बोल रहा है, कौन है ये? Then his assistant told him that sir उसने बहुत TV भी किया. And Anurag sir has this thing, if there's one scene he really likes, if an artist performs really well, he just go and hug that artist after cut. And he did that to me. And the last day, हम ऐसे we were taking a walk, and you know, like a little kid, he had his hand around my shoulders, and he was like, अश्नूर मैं तुझे एक बात बोलूं? मैंने कहा हाँ सर बोलो. And he said कि मुझे ना लगता था TV actors बहुत loud होते हैं, लेकिन तूने मुझे गलत prove कर दिया.
But do you feel that as a TV actor, you are often labeled, you often have to deal with labels? Like Hina said, again we're talking about Hina only, but that they forget that we do 16 to 20 hours a day also if need be. We know where the lights are, we know how to give cues without the other person in frame.
Yes.
Do you feel like that gets overlooked?
See, I feel there's a certain stereotype that's attached with TV actors, which I think is changing slowly, but it is eventually changing. I remember when I was shooting for Man Marziyan again, and I was just doing a scene. I had my close up, and of course, हमें तो आदत ही है, like in TV, we're trained so well कि we can perform every emotion with the wall.
Yeah.
And Vicky Bhaiya just came to me. He's like, "तू क्या कर रही है?" And I was like, "Close." He's like, "सामने कोई नहीं बैठा क्यों उसके लिए? I cannot do it without a person in front of me." And I was like, "That's what TV trains you for. We shoot continuously and it is a very challenging job, especially when you're playing the lead in a show. Forget your personal life; it does not exist.
Yeah.
You're just working, going home to sleep. That's all. You're not even spending time with your family. But when we get the fan love, that's like the fruit of our labor.
But how many times have you been told things like that when you went for auditions? Has it ever been?
Definitely, I've been told. Whenever, in fact, I go for auditions, I've been asked not to mention my TV experience when I'm giving my introduction or I'm talking about my work experience, because there is a certain preconceived notion attached with it. But I guess slowly and eventually that will change.
But has there ever been one film where you almost got locked and then you were not taken?
Yeah.
Which one?
I can't mention the name, but released in the recent years. And I guess, honestly, when I was on a 3-year break from TV, that's what I was focusing on, good OTTs, movies. I did a movie as well, which will be released soon on one of the OTTs. And I was almost locked for this really nice big commercial film. I'm going to sign the contract in a few days, and I get a call saying that, sorry, but we need a star kid.
Oh.
And that's happened. And because of all those experiences, I've kind of made peace with the fact that, just because you do not have a godfather in the industry, you yourself have to work so hard and make yourself so big that you rise to a level where nobody can say that to you.
Yeah. Last question would be this, that did it hurt you? Is this the first time that happened? And
That was the first time it happened. Of course, it hurt me. The film did not do very well, but a few songs of the film with the female actor did really well. Of course, it hurt me. Of course, it was the break I wanted in Bollywood, but that did not happen.
And politics की बात है, तो last question ये होगा कि majorly there are many names that are in the news कि कौन-कौन जा रहा है, Aways and Nagma and all of these people. जब दल बनाना होगा, तो who do you think you could possibly like?
का भी नाम आ रहा था यार.
हाँ, but मैं हूँ नहीं ना.
वैसे
क्या पता जो मैंने बोला कि हो सकता है, who knows?
Who knows?
But it would have been fun.
It'd be fun. But yeah, I mean, I don't know anybody personally जिनका confirmed नाम है अभी. But I'm really excited to go inside the house and see who I get along with.
Yeah, but thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please stay this charming, kind, sweet human being, because I genuinely feel that this year's Big Boss is going to be way different from any other year's Big Boss, because I personally had a conversation and I know that they are trying to shift everything and they're going by what we have loved watching on Big Boss. So all the best for all the tasks and may you win the democracy and the trophy. फिर हम इंटरव्यू करेंगे वहाँ पर.
बिल्कुल.
क्या पता घर पे भी दिख जाए हम लोग. But thank you so much for doing this. Thank you.